The data presentation tool referred to as the DPT is a quality improvement tool created by the Canadian Primary Care Sentinel Surveillance Network, which allows you to visualize and explore your patient panel. In this video, we will show you how to create a custom search using the DPT. Creating a custom search will allow you to identify patients who may benefit from additional follow-up or treatment. For example, you may wish to identify patients 65 years or older who have been identified as having chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. We will begin here on the DPT dashboard page. To begin the process of performing a custom search, first press the search button in the top menu bar. We have now been directed to the search form. On the left-hand side are a number of easy-to-use search options, including patient status, time since last visit, and the various SIPs and conditions. At the top of the page in gray are boxes related to patient demographics, including sex, age, and the FSA of a patient's postal code. The sections listed in blue indicate the categories of EMR data. Boxes with a calendar icon allow you to specify dates, while boxes with a magnifying glass icon allow you to search for specific diagnoses or values. Some fields have drop-down menus with a list of options to select. Cleaned fields, as shown here, contain data cleaned and standardized by CPCSSN, while the original fields have original text or values from the EMR. For more information concerning the sections listed in blue, refer to the DPT user manual. Now we will run an example search for patients 65 and over with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD. On the left-hand side, there are a list of conditions for which CPCSSN has developed validated case definitions. To find patients with COPD, select the box beside COPD. To search for our age range of interest, we type greater than or equal to 65 in the age box at the top of the page. When creating searches, we can use less than or greater than symbols to specify upper or lower limits to values. Specific ranges can be specified with 3 dots. For example, 60.70 will search for patients in the range of 60 to 70 years old. To find patients 65 and over with COPD, we can now click Execute Search in the top left corner, which causes a small window to pop up. From here, you have the option to press the Find or the Omit button. Selecting the Find button means that you will perform a search that will identify all the patients 65 years of age and older who have COPD. The results of this search are displayed as tables and graphs. The various sections of this page show the results and provide options to investigate this group of patients further. For example, we can build up a more complex search by clicking on the Extend button. This returns us to the search page where we can add additional criteria to the existing search. Let's say we wish to narrow our search to include patients with a diagnosis of heart failure. We click on the box titled Clean DX under Encounter Diagnosis and start typing heart failure. A list of matching entries pops up and we can click on heart failure. Now we click Execute Search as before, then Find, and now click And to add to the existing search. The results page now shows those patients 65 and over with COPD and a heart failure diagnosis. Searches can be saved to be rerun later by clicking on the Save button. Enter a name in the window that pops up and save. The search will then show up on the Reports page of the DPT. We hope this short video has shown you how to create a custom search to identify groups of patients in your clinic, and we encourage you to try it out for yourself. The ability to create a custom search allows a clinician or medical office assistant to contact patients who would benefit from follow-up, thereby improving the quality of their medical care. Check out the CPCSSN YouTube channel for videos on other topics.